All right, start off on a lot of the stuff that we've done to this thing. So 5-person bike rack. So one, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. Excuse me for coughing, sorry guys. All right, so let me explain the back deck. Kind of sick, man. Been at this for a couple of days. Being sick, it sucks. All right, so I made some brackets on this back tube, on this back bumper. So previous owner had put these in. I liked it. It works. It's good for a generator. We've got a small little Honda generator that we put on the back. The recycle bin, it was laying around, something I had. I use it for wood. It's bolted down inside. It's starting to crack a little bit. Maybe put a piece of plywood down there. But it holds your wood down really nice. That way it's there. Plus some parks, you know, they don't want you bringing wood in. Hooked up a small little vise, so that works out well. And I tabulated. I put a tab here and here. That's one of my first welds. So that actually holds that on, so your bike rack can't tilt back and all your treks and bicycles, you know, flip back and grinding down the road. People on the road are waving at you going, hey, stop, and you're waving going, hey, how you doing? And what they're trying to tell you is, no, dude, your bikes are grinding down the road. So I also built an under bracket, and there's 2, and they're bolted on into place. So if you can see what is done there. So that combined with the weld on the top keeps this bracket here, or this bumper here, from tilting backwards. So I've seen some guys do that. It's pretty heavy duty. Yeah, I like it. So let's just do a quick roundabout tour. Canopies are in excellent shape. Been treated with 3M. Now, we updated the refrigerator. We'll see that when we go inside. I like this stuff here. The reason why I'm not using the ventilation anymore is it's not gas. We went to just electric, and this is a good wasp keeper outer. So if you're interested in the Expedition, gonna try to sell this thing as a package. Expedition has been set up with heavy duty shocks on the rear, fully adjustable. 2 propane tanks in the front. I do have a house battery. I didn't put it in for the time being. But again, no rips in the top canopies. I've got a small little, I made this, if you've been watching any of the videos, it's a small little flap over the top. Doesn't leak. We've totally rebuilt the bunk. I can shoot whoever's interested a video. Let me come on around. And that's the rack for the 2 tents. Inside the Expedition, it's set up to sleep 1 person. So this has been gutted. We've taken out the 2nd row. Seats go down, and I've actually got a platform that sits here, equals out this whole area, and all my dive gear. So if my wife and I just want to go on a road trip, a road trip, we can take the Expedition, and that's got a shower. That canopy there is going to be going onto the Expedition, and we're getting a brand new one put on. Oh, there you go. All of these are all brand new, by the way, all the way around. Let me go back and show that. Old friend of mine, Santana, up in Avon Park, really helped me out. He had some stuff laying around. Screens, no rips in the screens. So he had some old canvas material, and he helped me out make those. Alrighty, on to it. I like the fold-up table outside. You've got speakers there. Just redid the handle today, recaulked the door. And welcome to home sweet home. Nunchucks for those bear attacks. So wife really did a great job on setting this thing up. Really did a great job. Now, a lot of these things on the StarCrafts, they rot. A lot of this stuff here, a lot of your corner moldings and stuff, if you watched any of the, I don't think I've got a video up of the StarCraft yet. So we ended up coming in here, and Caden and I actually built a small shelf on the inside. You can hold a rifle. So that's the full length of it. And that's your outer box on the outside. And you can actually access the stuff inside of that there. So yeah, rifle, full rifle, a couple rifles can lay in there, or a hockey stick, I don't know. Refrigerator, Magic Chef, ice cold, brand new. That was hard to get during COVID as well. All this is solid as a rock now, reinforced with veranda board. I took the old piece, they have a tendency of breaking right here, rebuilt all of that. As you can see, the floor's brand new. Cool little pull-out trash can setup. And over here, just a little storage bin that slides. And I like it because it keeps everything when you're camping just nice and in place. Went ahead and cleaned everything out. Got a small little vac here. My lineman tool bag. These things are great for when you got to get up on the roof, take a ladder up on the roof and whatnot. Makes for a pretty cool, cool way to get up there. We got rid of the microwave. We use it as our entertainment system, so our computer plugs into the radio. So, hang on. Little AJR, give them props. My son loves AJR. Caden does. Anyways, the cupboards, flashlight, stuff like that. Over here, good storage. That's where our cups are and all of that. Pots and pans, all the kitchen stuff. It's hard to believe how much stuff you pack in this thing. It's just incredible. Very clean shower. Nice brand new shower curtain. So really clean sink. Mirror. Go ahead and crank this down. Toilet. I think that's a rub mark, by the way. I think somebody asked me, hey, what's up with the toilet there? That's a rub mark. I don't know why. If there's vibration going down the road, not really sure. Small little TV for the kids. We no longer have an antenna. So up on the roof, it is plugged. It's actually covered with this stuff, veranda board, put down with 5200 and stainless steel screws, and then painted as well. There's the back bunk. They're identical. There's the back bunk there. So 2 bunks. Wife's got a cool little curtain for it. And then this is the side setup there. Full size, a little bit bigger than a twin. Yeah, I think it's called a full. So anyways, this is it. Oh, a little bit of stuff there. Yeah, it's just a great little camper. Oh, the stove. Fan works. Light works. We normally cook out on the grill. There you go. Okay, a sink. We'll set that back. So yeah, we've been looking at the bunkhouses for a long time. And we went from a Niagara pop-up, ended up finding it just by accident on Facebook Marketplace. And man, we ended up trading stuff and, oh, there we go. Sorry about that light. So we ended up trading stuff, and oh yeah, we got the cool little pictures up. Baseball tire, soccer, our border collies, old surfing pigs, look pretty cool, skateboarding. So yeah, we just, you know, we live an active lifestyle, so we want to kind of give somebody else the opportunity. So we're going to start building some houses. So there she is. I just wanted to give you a grand tour of the thing. So, and again, I'm gonna I'm gonna take serious offers on the Expedition because of the 2 tents that go up on top and the travel trailer combo. So, and again, this is gonna have a new canopy, our awning. So, rims and tires, ended up just repainting them. So it looks really good for the next person. So that's gonna have 4 brand new rubber tires put on Friday. So rubber tires, because you know they make them out of other things. Alrighty, that's it. See ya.